Greetings everyone. I am Nagarajan Kuppan, currently working in Zeta as a manager quality assurance. I'm having 17 plus years of experience only in testing across mobile platform and cloud native applications. I am associated with Agile Test Alliance from last 6 months. Agile Test Alliance bring the best people from the industry to share the latest knowledge and trends in testing. ATA-GTR, that is Agile Testing Alliance Global Testing Retest, is one of such 3 days event. Seventh edition of Global Testing Retreat is happening on 9th, 10th, 11th of December 2022, that too in virtual mode. The theme for this year conference is Test Beyond the Obvious. I am part of ATA GTR 2022. See you all there. Thank you.